Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and good morning. So we're gonna be finally giving you deluxe spoilers for the Jeffree Star Winter Mystery Box for 2020. I'm so excited. I literally just woke up. Noelle was like blowing up my phone, and I guess she realized I was not awake, so she started calling me, woke me up. Thank you, Noelle. You are a peach. Okay, so I would have to say that this is the best box I have ever seen. Like, not like, well, at least for the winter, I don't know. I can't think of any other boxes right now because I just woke up. Like, I just woke up. Anyways, this is like the best box out of all of them. And no, I'm not wearing a robe because a robe came in the box. Again, I just woke up. Like, my face is still red. Like, I came out of the room, came over here, hit record, okay? Anyways, if you are into these types of videos for me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. And like I've mentioned, I got all 4 boxes and I'm going to be doing a giveaway. You guys already know. And yeah, okay, so let's go ahead and get into it, because this is exciting. So I want to go ahead and show you the exclusive item, because honestly everything else is almost even more exciting than the exclusive item. So here we have this shirt here, and she sent me this post from Jen0433 on Twitter, but this is from a Reddit page. So this is the exclusive shirt right here. It's white and it has like blue and pink candy cane stripes on the side. The logo is pink, and then Jeffree Star's cursive name is in a light blue. And then the very back of it has a snowflake. So I'm wondering, just like the hoodies for the Supreme, I'm wondering if these are going to have color variants. This box in particular was a size extra large, so I just want you guys to know that. Now let's talk about the next like major item in here, which is the palette. And there's still more major items in this box, let me just tell you. So the big nude palette, because I don't want to say the name, the big nude palette came in here. So you guys have this huge nude palette that I know you guys really wanted. I know a lot of you wanted the mini, but let's be real, the mini wasn't going to come in the boxes because he had to reformulate. People who ordered the palette hasn't even gotten the replacement for that yet. But now you guys can try this palette out. I did a video on it, and actually it was a good palette, but I just didn't need it. But if I got it again, I would definitely keep it. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. This is good for you guys. Like, I know you guys really wanted it. And for a brand new collection pretty much to becoming a mystery box, is it must not have sold out. Anyways, let's get on with the next major item. And I'm sorry that this video is also not like edited, because I just don't feel like it. I need coffee. So this is something that I wanted so bad and I didn't get, but that's okay, because now I can have it. This is the Dawson Pig Box with all of the shades in it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shades. So you get all of the shades in here, and I am dying. I've always wanted this box. I've wanted all of the shades. Like, I've wanted it all. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna actually keep it, but this is something that I was like dying for like the longest time. And the fact that he put all full sizes in here, which I think it's been, oh dear, bless you, bless you. My boyfriend brought me coffee. You didn't put any whipped cream on it.
Oh well.
Oh. Okay. Now that I'm getting some coffee in my system. So yeah, so we got the Dawson Pig, which I will look up in just a second all of the different shade names because I can't remember what they are. So let's go ahead and get on with the next amazing item. This is one of the velvet traps. One of the brand new velvet traps is coming in this box. So this is in Watermelon Soda, which is a beautiful color, like a beautiful color, and I'm so excited. I do hope that there's variants of the velvet trap, because Watermelon Soda isn't like such an everyday color for me, because it's pretty bright, but it's beautiful, but it's more of a summer shade that, you know, whatever. I'm not even gonna get into it, but anyways, Velvet Trap is in here. We're literally getting a little bit of everything. Plus, I love that we got the pig bundle of full-size lipsticks instead of like a mini bundle, because you're getting like so much more. Plus, the pig would like look so cute on display. Anyways, next up we got a liquid lipstick in Unicorn Blood, which is like everyone's favorite. They love it. They love it. And then we have from the Nude collection a lip gloss, and this is in Mouthful, which is another really beautiful nude shade. So that's the second time we've seen, well, not really, we've seen several shades from the Nude collection. And then the last item is another liquid lipstick in Gemini, which is a beautiful, beautiful shade, if I do say so myself. Let's go ahead. Oh, no, it's not a liquid lipstick. I apologize. That's a lip liner in Gemini. So you have the liquid lipstick, a Velvet Trap lipstick, a lip gloss, and a lip liner. So this is the first time that we're seeing an actual lip liner in any of these boxes. Pig Box. So anyways, let's see. Here are the shades in the Shane Dawson Velour Liquid Lipstick Pig Bundle. You get the shade Shane. You get Are You Filming, Ryland, I Gotta Go, Jeffree What the F, and Oh My God. And this is a $90 box, but it's currently on sale for $63. But even at that price, because some people complain that, like, you know, there's things for sale in these boxes, but still, $63 on sale, that's a huge value. So I would just be thankful. Jeffree What the F is currently circling around in other boxes, so you might get a repeat if you ordered all four, or if you ordered, I can't remember which one it came in, I think it was the mini, but yeah, I'm really, really excited about this, you guys. Let me look at the overall photo again. If you're looking at this box and you're just like looking at the overall value, I feel like the Deluxe is the best box. And after people see these spoilers, I bet you this Deluxe is going to sell out. Now, I don't know if there's going to be palette variants or anything, but yeah. So to those of you who are like, I want to get it, but I want to wait, this is what's coming in there. So anyways, thank you guys so much for sitting here and watching. Thank you for watching me as I just woke up, you know. Like, I look like poo, but here you guys go. Deluxe spoilers, we've given them. Now I can go about my day. Yeah, so anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I want to know all your thoughts and opinions down below, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.